Hello everyone, so here I'll show you how to fix blank screen of iPhone XR. As you can see, it's not turning on. So it could be the loose connection or screen itself. So we have to open the phone first and let's have a look. We have to open those screws first. Screen is open now, so what we have to do, we have to unscrew those connector plates. And there's a battery connection underneath the connectors. Now we have to disconnect the screen connectors and the battery connector. Then after that, connect them back on. Make sure disconnect the battery connector first, then the screen connectors. So the battery connector is the black one. They're all disconnected now. So what we have to do, we have to connect the back on again. Connected the connectors back on again. So let's see if it's turning on. Where is it? It's turned on. It all works fine now. So that's all done.